Today we can show you a new semi-automatic CNC mortiser machine from Deltawood. These machines are suitable for all types of industries: joinery, windows and doors, and various operations for gate and fence production. They're basically to replace the older multi-head machines or even older chain mortise machines. This machine is fitted with two independent double eccentric mortise heads, but can be fitted with more if required. The X-axis is fully programmable through rack and pinion and brushless motors. The Z-axis is adjusted manually and the Y-axis is hydraulically controlled. The heads are automatically optimised depending on the program. With the simple programming on this machine, either parametric or semi-automatic, it's much easier to produce a mortise or a series of mortises without any marking out, and much more accurate. This range of machines can be offered with a series of options: automatic loading and unloading, either vertical hopper or horizontal loader. Machines can be manual, semi-automatic, or we can have full CNC version with 2 or 3 heads. CNC control on all axes, drilling, routing and profiling heads, with tool chains have all been fitted on this type of machine in the UK. So whatever you need, put your pencil and square away, you don't need them anymore. Give us a call, come in and have a look for yourself.